This is the V2 Backpack from Modern Dayfarer, a German-based brand making premium products for active lifestyles. We're going to start the video with a quick overview, checking out the materials and specs of the bag. Then we're going to pack it up for a long weekend trip to see what fits inside. Lastly, we'll weigh the bag to make sure we're under that 7 kilogram limit so you know exactly what you can bring along on your next personal item only one bag travel trip. The 24-liter Modern Dayfarer V2 Backpack comes in at 48 centimeters by 32 centimeters by 18 centimeters and weighs 1.08 kilograms. It's made with 840D ballistic nylon with water repellents, ripstop poly lining, and features high-end hardware like a Fidlock buckle, YKK AquaGuard zippers, and Hypalon zipper pulls. It comes in one colorway, the black you see here, and it's going to run you $209 US. Affiliate links in the description. This elegantly designed bag has some super cool features, like a dual access front panel, a ventilated shoe compartment that can also be compressed when not in use, and a dedicated laptop sleeve with a generous false bottom. There are quick access pockets on the front and the side of the bag, as well as a hidden passport pocket in the back panel. The main compartment has 2 additional accessory pockets, and it closes with a magnetic buckle. There's a water bottle pocket on one side of the bag, and handles on the side and the top. The back panel is nicely padded, and the contoured shoulder straps fit perfectly for an extremely comfortable carry. So now let's see what we can fit inside this bag for a long weekend trip. And remember, everyone packs differently, but this is what I would typically bring along with me. So be sure to envision what you would bring along as I pack this thing out. All right, let's weigh this thing to make sure we're under that 7 kilogram limit. And there we go, another successful pack. I gotta say, I really love this bag. It's super structured, so no matter if you carry a lot or a little, the bag keeps its shape. With its buckle and strap closure system, it fits around everything that you're carrying. It's a great bag for weekend travel, but also for a trip to the office and then the gym after work, especially since it has that really functional ventilated shoe department. Also, there's just enough pockets on this bag to carry everything you need without overdoing it. I really just can't recommend this bag enough. So what do you think of the Modern Dayfarer? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.